Welcome to Perinatal. I hope you guys all had a fabulous summer and that you're all ready and eager for the fall. I know I'm looking forward to meeting with you guys and to sharing my passion of perinatal nursing with you. I'm just doing a quick little video on how to access your Blackboard Collaborate, which is our virtual classroom platform that we will be using for this term. It is housed within Blackboard and it has a lot of the same features, and it's pretty as like Zoom or any of the other ones, and it's pretty user friendly. So I'm just going to show you how to kind of navigate around that. If you go into your Blackboard courses, and I know you guys all know how to access your Blackboard courses, and you go into your Nursing 547 course, I just got to bring up the side tab, and if you go under course content, this is where I've got my welcome video for you guys, and then I've got my office hours link. So it'll be virtual office hours this year. So if you want to meet with me at any point in time on my office hours or make an appointment, during these times I will be sitting in my virtual office. So if you pop in, I'll be there. And to access the office, just click on this link. It will ask you for your name, and then you can join the session. And that's how you will go into the office hours. And you'll, audio, video, raise your hand, though you shouldn't need that. There won't be that many of us in there. And then this bottom tab here gets you access to your chat screen, your attendance, your share content, your settings. And then there's another little tab up here as well. All right. Now to access our virtual classroom that we will do for our weekly lectures, you're going to go under lectures, and then you're going to go under the join lecture link here. Now you're going to notice that I have a few different tabs. For the weekly lectures, we're always going to use this Nursing 547 tab up in the top left corner. So you'll just click on that. You'll go to the right hand side of the screen and join your course room, and it will sign you in with your name, your college, with your registered name that is in college registration, and then the same features as always. Now looking on here, you're probably noticing that there is quite a few other sessions. So these sessions are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they'll be open the whole time this course is available to you. If you're wanting to meet virtually with any other student in the class at any other time, maybe you want to discuss something, you just want to brainstorm, maybe you want to have a little bit of a study session, there's an open study meeting room for all perinatal students. So you would just click on that, join the session, and then whatever students are joining you, you'll meet in here. None of these links are private, so anybody that has this link and access to this course can join any of these links at any point in time, but this is the one set up for all of you guys. And so there is some group presentations through the course as well, and I thought it would be helpful for you guys to have your own virtual meeting room. So any student that's in group 1, if you want to meet to work on your presentations, you can just use this link and go in and meet with your fellow group members. Our groups will be groups of 2. There will be one group of 3, and you guys will determine your groups. So you'll just let me know on that first day who you're going to be working with and doing your presentations with for the term. And yeah, you'll be assigned a group number, whether you're group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. All right, well, that's just a quick little video on how to access your virtual classroom in your course, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on our first day of classes on September 8th. And take care.